Here is the introduction, proper use, and inspiration of chrome nail powder. After using chrome nail powder, your nails will have a mirror effect. Even the same color of chrome nail powder can have different effects on different base colors. Some powders are easy to recognize in color, but some powders look white. You need to identify the iridescent color that will ultimately be presented based on the indicated color. If your chrome powder cannot be colored, check your steps. Wipe off powder. You need top coat before applying chrome nail powder. Apply it where you want to use chrome nail powder. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply chrome nail powder. Wipe off the excess powder. Apply a layer of top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Glossy and shiny. Chrome nail powder can not only be painted on the surface, but also can be combined with rhinestone glue to do 3D nail art. Apply nude gel and file the surface. Use rhinestone glue to do the 3D effect. Cure for 30 seconds and apply powder. Or add a small black base. Draw 3D lines and cure for 30 seconds. Apply chrome powder and remove excess powder. Create endless styles with chrome powder.